Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Riemann sums look intimidating, but you can master this definite integral problem in under 60 seconds by following these 3 simple steps to find the answer. The Riemann sum definition uses delta x equals b minus a over n. Here, a is 1 and b is 4, so delta x is 3 over n. You got this! Substitute these values into the limit definition. The integral of f of x becomes the limit of the sum of f of x sub k times delta x. Let's go! Comparing our result to the choices, we see that option A matches our derived expression perfectly. The structure is now confirmed, so that makes option A our final winner. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid bad bounds and wrong delta values by using a plus k delta x instead.